Hi people. This is Burbujita. Say hi, Burbujita. And today we have a fancy lamp because we have a fancy video. Oh, we have to say this because if it wasn't for them, we couldn't do what we do. This video is brought to you by Gustavo Studio, where hair for ladies and gentlemen becomes high art, located in the heart of Miami Beach, Florida, and Sultry Eyes Lash Studio, dedicated to bring out the goddess out of every woman, now located inside Gustavo Studio. The Brian siblings doing their best work together. If you are in the area of Miami Beach, please check the website, book your appointment. The website is here below, and let's get this started. And South Beach Charity Angels. South Beach Charity Angels is our own charity, and it operates here in Miami, Florida. If you want to know more, read the website. Thank you very much for watching. The video is about to start. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. There we go!
Somewhere in the future, our planet transformed into a toxic and arid desert of grammatical despair, with millions of people lost among the debris of a once great language. But there is hope. The Rae Man.
Oye, entonces, confirmado que vas el sábado, ¿verdad? Contamos contigo.
Gustavo, qué pena me da contigo. Seguramente vas a querer matarme. No voy a poder estar en la fiesta el sábado.
Pero tú me dijiste que el sábado ibas a venir sí o sí. My apologies, sir. For I couldn't avoid overhearing you say, me dijiste, which means you told me, but with an S. And the correct way is me dijiste, without the S. You are utilizing an S letter, which is not necessary in the second person of the singular from the imperfect rhetoric verb conjugation of our beloved Royal Spanish Castillian language. Unless you keep making my ears and Cervantes' eyes shed blood. And those of our ancestors who fought for 8 centuries to establish our language, and 300 years of these honorable members of the Royal Spanish Academy. And that would be all. Más menos. Who are you? With that penguin suit, like weird hat and a cape? And how do you get into my balcony? Who are you? El hombre de la RAE. El hombre de la RAE? The superhero of the Royal Spanish Academy. Its warrior against grammatical and orthographic ignorance. El hombre de la RAE.
The RAE, the Royal Spanish Academy, known colloquially by its acronym as RAE. It is undoubtedly the house and guardian of the Spanish language. Since its founding in 1713, during the reign of Philip V of Spain, the Academy's home is the same today as the architect Miguel Aguada de la Sierra founded in 1894 with the Association of Academies of the Spanish Language, otherwise known as ASALE, constituted in Mexico in 1951. This association represents the union of the 23 academies of the Spanish-speaking world, distributed among the Americas, the Philippines, and Equatorial Guinea. 23 different academies, all sharing a common political and social linguistic. With around 580 million Spanish speakers globally, in European Spanish, or 500 million people in US English, well, that is a debate for another time and video, the language is the fourth most spoken in the world. With the blessing and ongoing protection of the Spanish crown, the RAE was an initiative by Juan Manuel Fernández Pacheco Marquis of Vienna. The Academy was born with the fundamental purpose of creating a comprehensive dictionary of the Spanish language, the most copious that would ever be created. For 3 centuries, the Academy has stayed true to its founding motto, Limpia, fija y da esplendor, cleans, sets, and gives splendor. The Academies published their first works between 1726 and 1739, resulting in a legendary edition running to 6 volumes, which became known as the Authorities' Dictionary. After 1780, successive editions appeared condensed into a single volume. Today, the Dictionary of the Spanish Language is in its 23rd edition and is a true commemoration of the language. Its modern counterpart, the online version, receives millions of visits and inquiries daily. The next edition of the dictionary is already in progress and will be very different to previous editions, being conceived as a totally digital edition. The worlds of yesterday and today, along with transformation, change, and tradition, all combine in an academy formed by 46 members. Their places in history assured by the amassed collection of lower and uppercase letters of our Spanish alphabet, which lately was reduced to just 27 letters by this institution. The work and aims of the RAE align with those of the other 22 academies that comprise the ASALE. The fruit of its pan-Hispanic political approach to linguistics is demonstrated in the unity of decision-making and common agreement over grammar and orthography that result in the dictionary. There have been many more academic publications and commemorative editions since the first, dedicated to El Quijote, which have received great popularity and achieved distinction. The Classic Library, with a catalogue of 111 titles, refreshes every year with the best of our literature from El Cantar del Mio Cid until Los Pazos de Ulloa. Presided over by our Spanish king and with the support of many sponsors, the Academy supports initiatives such as the School of Hispanic Lexicography and the Spanish Corpus of the 23rd century. The Corpus, a great lexicon databank that will attract 400 million Spanish worldwide. A vast number of academic works, as well as the entire bank of documents held on file in the library, are available online and can be viewed on the webpage of the RAE, like the different corpus and dictionaries. A new project, which is especially ambitious, is our new historic dictionary of the Spanish language. The dictionary offers a systematic, documented description of the evolution of our language, lexicon, from its origins to today. As you can imagine, it's a large dictionary and is still in construction. Its early results can already be accessed on the internet. The Academy is permanently at the service of our language. So far, million speakers utilize its web pages and social media to resolve any linguistic doubts from anywhere in the world. The Academy is embracing its future, without forgetting its 3 centuries of prestigious history. The collective memories of the institution have been penned by different secretaries and in different formats since the 3rd of August 1713, right up to the present day. The Academy was created to serve the Spanish language from the 18th century, and it remains just as relevant today. The Royal Spanish Academy is faithful to its founding principles, and it keeps loyal to its commitment to all Hispanic speakers, to contribute to the good use and unity of a common mother tongue. The RAE is more than the official home of the Spanish language. The words it contains are the very definition of what makes the Spanish-speaking world so magical.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. That's clicking on the little bell. Comment all you want. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like.
Don't forget to subscribe to grow the community.
And also, don't forget to follow our social media. And if you want to go ahead and share this video in all your platforms, share the love. Till next time!
Bye!